Hey guys, I'm playing, I'm not playing anything yet, but I think it's gonna be either random or hijacked. Which one should I vote for? Let me think about this. You know what? Boom, yeah, I'm awesome. No. Oh, at least it's kill confirmed. Oh dang, all those people left. That's not even right. Like, wow. Oh wow. Really? 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 It's just gonna make this all longer now. Jeez. Alright. Can't believe I'm not carrier. Carrier. Why do people vote for random? Vote for freaking carrier. Nobody wants to play on cargo. Dang. Like, come on. It's been a minute and I haven't even gotten to a match yet. I don't want to play on cargo. I'ma suck now. Just because of this map. But do horrible. Alright, so let's see. Oh! Man, yawn. Okay, let's see how bad I do in this map. I don't like this map at all. That's why I love the Executioner. It's like the best shotgun. Best shotgun pistol. No, best handheld shotgun. Yeah. This thing is great in zombies. Aw, man. I was doing it. I was like, pop. No, it wasn't. Whatever. This guy's camping. Why is everyone camping? Like, am I the only one that's moving around or something? Like, what is this? Can we get some action? I mean, like, dang. Come on. I better not be the only one that's running around actually trying to win. What was that? Oh, he threw a bouncing Betty. Wow. That's just wow. I'm gonna let that blow up. How come bouncing Betty? What? Stop camping. Annoying little prick. God freaking dang. I'm sick and tired of this guy camping. You know what? Come here. I'm coming to get you. Get out of this little camping spot. Aw, you little tack noob, I swear. Where are you? I'm gonna come get you now. Rapid freaking... what did he kill me with? I don't even know. See? What? Oh, now you're just gonna camp there. Oh my god. Why am I using the SWAT? I want this thing automatic, so... Get out! I still got him! I don't care, I still freaking got him. What do they have, a stealth chopper? This round's over. Killed attacker. You should get more for killing defenders.
Missile awaiting orders.
See? Oh my god, I just went silent forever. I don't like when I go silent. Because it's just like... It's like YouTube, man. Ooh, did I kill that dragonfire? Aw, man. I was aimed at it and everything. Ah, arched. Arc. Oh, wow. Oh, I get it. Arc. That, wow. What is this? Black Ops 2 shipment? I think these are Black Ops 2 shipments. All these crates are filled with Black Ops 2. And they're giving them away for free. They should do that one day. Give a new Call of Duty away for free. Everywhere. I would get it and sell it. I would get like 4 copies and sell it. And I never in my life. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Man, what is this guy using? The PDW? Oh my god, that... Come on. What's up with the emblems? People always do that. That's what I hate sometimes about Black Ops. People are just like, I'm gonna make a nasty emblem. So freaking retarded. Like, there's no point. What, to get banned? They should start doing that. Banning people for that. If they keep it up for a week, they should get a warning. If they keep it up for 2 weeks, they should get, you know, a temporary ban. Then they keep it up for 3 weeks, they get like a 2-week ban from this game. Yeah, then they keep it up for a month, and then they get totally banned. Yeah, no, that's a stupid idea, the totally banned thing. But it should just keep getting like longer and longer and longer until they fix the emblem. Soon it'll be 9 years. Oh, that's cool. I'm sorry, but I don't want them to win this round. Please leave a message after the beep. Beep! Woo! Alright. That is the first round, I guess. We should win this next one, because I don't want this to get way too long. Or else. Actually, I'm probably going to split it into parts. Whatever. I'll go with a 20-minute video. Take forever to upload, but whatever. Yes, I know how to eliminate an objective. You shoot at it. GBE. They are ready in here. Oh, rage, 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 freaking rage, rage, rage. Why isn't it never count? It never waits for it. There we go. That's better. Never does that. I've never seen it do that ever in my life. But in my life. Aw. Whatever. I don't know how to use a Hellstorm, so I don't care. Let's go, assist. I'm gonna watch back here. Okay, never mind. Hunter killer. Got you. I got a bloodthirsty. Aw, really? Really? Just because I can place it there, it blows up? Come on. What is that? And we got rid of the hard position. Now we just need to get rid of this position. Get him, get him, get him. These guys were good at planting, but defending, they're like, wow. It's like shocking. That's just messed up. I'm gonna change that second perk from toughness to scavenger now that I have it. Oh wow, there they all come. Alright, this is gonna be the end of this YouTube video now that we just won both rounds. Members, sub, rate, comment. Make sure to like this video, any of the videos. I really don't care. Just do whatever you can. Bye.